Greetings! For today's video, I have a few good coupons to share with you guys and also news about a couple of new items and sales that are now available to us. I'll start with the coupons. This section is going to be mostly about deals that are on Amazon. I'll start with Canadian Amazon because for some obscure reason it had the best deals, and then I will share also a couple of deals that I found on the American US Amazon. So very first item here is a really nice Paul Rubens palette. Now what is really interesting of this deal here is that you get a coupon for $40 off. That's more than half off. And for that price, you get a selection of glittery and phosphorescent colors, which I know are not for everyone. But you also get this really lovely enamel tin that seems to be very nicely made and has this beautiful frosty glittery finish to it. It might not be interesting in terms of the color selection, but to get that tin and the paints for less than $40, that's a good deal. Second item is another set of Paul Rubens colors. Again, some glitter shimmer colors with a tin and a watercolor journal that is 100% cotton. They offer a nice $15 off coupon, so that's about 20% off of this set. Then I have another Paul Rubens set. A lot of these are going to be Paul Rubens. If you're not familiar with the company, they have really nice paints. I'm currently testing out their regular palette with regular colors and I'm really enjoying it. But anyway, so this is a set of 24 tubes with the plastic palette so you can put the palette together yourself. They offer a $35 coupon on that, which is about 34% off. Next, we have another set of glitter colors from Paul Rubens. Again, this one is the smaller set of 12 colors in half pans. They offer a $10 off coupon for this one, so that's about 22% off. Following that, I have a jelly gouache set from Artex of 18 colors, and they offer on this one another $10 off. So that's again about 23% off. These are the Paul Rubens neon watercolor tubes that I made a review of these not long ago and I really enjoy them. They're really, really nice. The coupon is not big, but it's a big portion of the basic price. So basically it's a $5 off coupon, but that's a discount of nearly 20% off. So you can get this set for just about $20 Canadian. Finally, last item on Canadian Amazon is the Mia Jelly Gouache set of 56 colors. I wanted to include it because when I first saw it, it was about $150. It was super expensive and I was like, oh my gosh, what? But now it's down to $67 and it's basically 12% off regular price. There is no coupon for this one, but it's discounted as a whole. Okay, moving on to US Amazon. I wasn't able to find as many good deals over there, but I found these and I will share them with you. I'll start with the same Mia Jelly Gouache set of 56 colors. It's offered with a 5% off coupon. Then I wanted to include this White Nights palette because it's the new plastic tin that seems to be really nice. It's not sold as a discount, but it's a very reasonable price, around $25. To go with all the paints, I found a deal on the Paul Rubens 100% cotton paper block in hot press. They are selling them with a 25% off coupon, so that makes it less than $10 per block. They're not huge blocks, it's not like 9x12, it's a bit smaller, it's 6x8 I think. But for less than $10, that's a good price. The last one is this Paul Rubens watercolor set of 18 tubes in 5 milliliters format. It's really, really cheap with the coupon. The coupon is 30% off, and that makes this whole set under $10. Now, of course, if you pay under $10 for 18 colors, they're not gonna be the best quality paint. But they should be quite fun, and it's more like hobby paint, so it's good for playing with color and doing exploration and mixed media work. I want to mention for all these Amazon deals, except for the Paul Rubens neon watercolor tubes, I haven't tried many of these sets, so I would definitely encourage you to read all the reviews before buying anything, so that you may get the full picture about these items that I mentioned. Now, another thing that I want to showcase that I'm super excited to talk about is this beautiful acrylic gouache set that Holbein has released in collaboration with illustrator Rebecca Green. It is so beautiful. The presentation is everything and the colors are nice, and you guys know the Holbein acrylic gouache, which is, again, basically matte acrylic paint. It's really good, it's fun to use, it's lovely. I'm really happy for Rebecca that she was able to have this collaboration and have this product released. If you aren't familiar with Rebecca Green, she has a really interesting website and she shares a lot of knowledge about how she paints and her experiences with painting and all that. Definitely worth a look. The set of acrylic gouache is available at Wet Paint. I haven't seen it anywhere else for now outside of Japan. And final thing, Jackson's is starting their Artist Ink sale today. It ends on the 23rd. I want to mention it because often, ink and watercolor are combined. So either you do ink and watercolor like what I do in terms of illustration, or you like to paint with inks diluted to do like watercolors. That's why I felt it was relevant to mention this sale. That's it for the whole video for today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. If you are interested, I'm doing the usual Saturday live stream tomorrow at 2 p.m. EST on the Caturdays live stream channel. Link will be in the description if you are curious about that. It's a lot of fun. We usually talk about food and play with supplies or paint something. I hope you guys have a great weekend and see y'all next time. Bye bye.